Hi everyone, welcome back to Jack Up Your English, and it's that time again for Phrasal Verb of the Week. Yes, phrasal verbs. You know what? In the 6 years I've been teaching English online, this seems to be one of the biggest issues for non-native speakers. There are so many phrasal verbs with so many meanings, but don't stress. On this channel we'll look at them one by one and look at all the different meanings. And our phrasal verb for today is break down. So good, we are going to look at the phrasal verb breakdown, and can you believe it? This phrasal verb's got 5 different meanings. That's crazy. But let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. And the first meaning of breakdown is to stop functioning. When a machine or vehicle stops working properly. Yes, and if we look at an example, we can say, my car broke down on the highway. So yeah, that's number 1. Let's move on to meaning number 2. And the second meaning of the phrasal verb breakdown is to lose emotional control, to become very upset or start crying due to strong emotions. Yep, we can talk about somebody's got a mental breakdown, and if we look at an example, we can say, she broke down in tears after hearing the sad news. That's number 2. Let's move on to meaning number 3, and the next meaning is to fail or collapse. When discussions, agreements, or systems stop working. And the example we can use for this one is, the peace talks broke down after several disagreements. So, okay, we've got 3. Are you counting? We're moving on to number 4. And the fourth meaning of the phrasal verb breakdown is to divide into smaller parts, to separate something into simpler or smaller components. And the example we're going to use for this one is, let me break down the problem so it's easier to understand. So yeah, are you keeping up? That was number 4. And our final meaning, number 5, for the phrasal verb breakdown is to physically break into pieces. When something is reduced to smaller fragments or physically destroyed. And our final example is, over time, the chemicals will break down the material. Yeah, so that wraps it up for this week's phrasal verb of the week breakdown. If you like the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. Every week I will upload a video on a phrasal verb. If there are any specific phrasal verbs you'd like me to cover, just drop a message in the comment below and I will create the video for you. So thanks again for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.